Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos, and it is absolutely free.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today's video is about the issue which occurs in Windows 10 when you try to type anything in Cortana Search, Windows Search, or in Microsoft Edge. The keyboard does not type anything. So in order to fix this problem, we need to run a command, and to do that you need to open up a run window. So press Windows and R and type C colon backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash ctfmon.exe and click OK. Now you will be able to type in Microsoft Edge or Windows Search or in Cortana. But the problem may reoccur as soon as you restart the computer. So to fix the problem permanently, you will have to make an entry of this program in registry so it can start with Windows whenever you start your computer. So let's go to registry, press and hold the Windows key and push the R and type reg edit and click OK. Click yes on user account control window and you will see the registry editor window. Click on the arrow of H key local machine to expand it. Now click on the arrow of software and then click on the arrow of Microsoft. Now click on the arrow of Windows. Now click on the arrow of current version to expand it and simply find run. Now click on run and at the right hand side, right click somewhere, click on new and click on string value. Now rename it to ctfmon and press enter. Now right click on it and click on modify. The value over here, you need to type the same command which we used in run window earlier. Now click OK and you can close the registry editor, and that is it. Now you will be able to type in Microsoft Edge, address bar, or Cortana search, or even Windows search. The problem will not be there even after restarting the computer. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. And also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.